Well, today is National Pancake Day. This morning, Elliott Dining on campus started off the day by serving pancakes. But if you missed it, Chef Stephanie Miller has some tips so you can make a perfect pancake.
Step number one is don't be afraid to use a pancake mix that you buy from the store. That's what I have in my bowl here. And I've got cool water, definitely not hot water. And I'm going to slowly add. And it's important to remember that you can always add more, but you can't take it back out. They'll begin popping. When they stop popping, that's when it's time. One flip. Never press down on the pancake with your spatula. All that hard work that you just put into getting a fluffy pancake will go away when you smash it.
And if you'd rather have someone else cook your pancakes, you can. Victor's Gyro and Pancake House has specials today for National Pancake Day. Their short stack of pancakes are $2.50, and their 3 stack is $3.